Once the walls are painted and the counters are in, it is time to install the plumbing and lighting fixtures that serve as the jewelry of your home. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we help you select the final details that define the style and functionality of your living space. In 2026, matte black and brushed gold remain the top choices for faucets and shower heads because they offer a sophisticated and modern look. You should always coordinate your finishes across a room, but do not be afraid to mix metals like black and brass for a more curated and custom feel. Lighting is the most powerful tool for setting the mood in a room, so consider layering your light with dimmable cans, pendants, and under-cabinet LEDs. When choosing plumbing fixtures, prioritize brands with lifetime warranties on their cartridges to ensure you can easily fix leaks 10 years down the road. Smart lighting systems and touchless faucets are also becoming standard expectations in high-end renovations, adding both convenience and long-term resale value to your property. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see our 2026 fixture style guide and subscribe to learn how to perfectly finish your dream home project.